Hey there, you're watching this tutorial video because you're obviously interested in Python. But there's so much information on Python available, it can be hard to know where to begin your learning journey and who to learn from. So what is Python programming? Here are some common languages which we use for programming: COBOL, ISP, BASIC, and Fortran. Let's talk about the history of Python. Python was invented in December 1989 by Guido van Rossum. The first public release, however, was in 1991. It was an open source from the beginning, managed by Python Software Foundation. So what is Python? Python is powerful and fast, plays well with others, runs everywhere, is friendly and easy to learn, is open. Python is an interpreted language, do not need to be compiled to run. Python is high-level language, which means a programmer can focus on what to do instead of how to do it. Writing programs in Python takes less time than in any other language. So what is Python used for? Python is a highly popular general-purpose programming language that plays a critical role in creating cutting-edge tech solutions based on artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cloud computing, Internet of Things, and many other new age technologies. So now, since we know what Python is, in the next video I will be giving you more information on compiling and interpreting.